Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I have a small purchase that turned into a whopping, I'm going to call it a PR package. I got reintroduced again to the SheModern company for nail art, nail stamping, nail, just all kind of embellishments that you can do. I want to stop for just a second and make mention that SheModern was the very first company person that reached out to me when I first started being a YouTuber and asked me if I would do some PR for her. Back then it was water slide decals, sticky, or you know, like stickers for your nails, things like that. And I did PR for them for Miss Tina for a long time, and I don't know, I just kind of fell off the bandwagon. It wasn't like I stopped liking her products or anything like that. I just, so much started coming in after that, and then I was swatching new collections I was buying and everything. So I just wanted to throw that out there. I want to thank Miss Tina from SheModern for believing in me even way back in the day. So what happened was I'd been seeing a lot of people talking about the sticky stamping polish that she has, and I was like, oh, I got to get some of that. And so I went on there and I ordered what I thought was four, you know, just your basic white, black, silver, and gold. But I ended up ordering the wrong thing. I ordered the opaque white watercolor polishes and the metallic silver, metallic gold, and the black. Well, I ordered those four, paid for them. And when I placed my order, I left a little note on the side that said, you know, I don't know if, you know, you remember me, but I used to do PR for you. And when I got this package, she had all this other stuff in the package. So, I'm going to be playing with a lot of this stuff a lot, because there is a lot of it. She sent me a ton of these sticky stamping polishes. And, I mean, there's every color. Pearl white, pearl green, yellow, lime. These are all in the pearl formula. Fuchsia, lemon, orange, blue, pink, coral, peacock, rose, and purple. She also sent me some more of the watercolor polishes. This is the clear, the sealer. So that's going to come in real handy. Neon lime, yellow jelly, and red jelly. And then she sent me the sheer white and the sheer black sticky stamping polishes. You really got to read them because, you know, there's watercolor. I don't know if y'all can see that. I had to mess with my lights. Watercolor and then like stamping polishes. So she sent me the shears, and then she also sent me a clear and a silver and a opaque black and opaque white, and then a whole bunch of her powders, and they're pigment powders. So I'm definitely gonna, and she also sent me another stamper and these cards. Now these I'm really interested in. I'm gonna have to really learn about the scraping cards and, you know, all these. I'm gonna have to play with this stuff because these are really cool with the little, you know, lines and stuff. So that's that. So after I realized I had ordered the watercolor set, I went online and placed another order and ordered the sticky, and I ordered it in gold and silver and clear and black and clear and white because I figured clear, you know, that would, but I ended up getting everything the same day, 2 different packages. So, you know, I know this is rambling and crazy and all over the place, but I just really wanted to do a video kind of like, not really an unboxing because I can't get the box under the camera, but I wanted to show you all the things that she sent me and the things that you will be seeing a whole lot of in the near future. I'm going to just set all this stuff all over my nail table, and we're going to play and play and play. She's always been a very generous indie person. I remember back when I used to do PR for her, and I would order things, she always threw in extras, you know, whether it was, you know, a card or some kind of stencil or just, you know, one extra something. She's just amazing. And she does have videos up on YouTube showing you how to use these products, which I'm going to be doing a lot of watching. I've watched a lot of the other YouTubers playing with these things. But she also does lives, and I'm going to actually go back. I've watched 2 or 3 of them. I'm going to go back and watch all of the lives. She's just such a sweet soul and an amazing person that I definitely want to get looped back in, and so I don't miss out on things like this. These are products that she didn't have way back in the day when I first started, and look how far she's come and the amazing things. Everybody loves these sticky stamping polishes. They say if you have trouble stamping, you're having trouble because you can't work as fast, because sometimes you have to work fast when you're doing stamping. You can really slow down. Take your time, and these polishes are absolutely amazing for that. My problem will be I'm going to have to learn how to slow down and take my time. So I just wanted to throw this out there. There are tons of videos out there. My friend Jill from Never Naked Nails, Guylene 325, oh gosh, my mind's going blank, but a lot of the ladies, Just Nailed It, Sheree from Just Nailed It, a lot of these ladies have already done awesome videos on these products, so I will leave links for them down below if you'd like to go ahead and see what I'm talking about and why I'm so excited and why I felt the need to share this haul / PR package with you. I will be playing with everything. So I want to thank Tina, if she gets to watch this, from SheModern, for sending me all these products to demo on my channel. I will be using everything. Get back into powders, get back into all of it. I love these. They're just, and that's, I know you look at it and you think, oh, that's a tiny little, that is so much pigment. Just, that will last me, like, for a long time. I'm just so excited to get to playing with it. So I will leave a link for SheModern down below, and if I can remember, I will leave a link to her YouTube also. You guys know how forgetful I can be, but I'm going to try to leave links for everything down below. So stay tuned to my channel. Get ready to get some SheModern overload, and if you're not interested in SheModern, just come back another day. I'll have another video for you. Just something else that I'm into or doing. So that is it for me today. I hope you enjoyed this. If you have any requests that you want to see, let me know down in the comments. If you have any suggestions or information that you think might help me play with some of this stuff, leave that down in the comments section also, because like I said, I've been out of the loop for several years, and I am so excited to be back in it. I'm very excited about this. So just stay tuned, and until next time, be good to yourself. Talk to you soon. Bye.